Born him over turbulence, he began to speak. He said, son, I made a life out of reading people's faces, knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind saying, I can see you're out of faces, or taste of your whiskey, I'll give you some advice. So I handed him my bottle. He drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light. And the night got deathly quiet, and his face lost all expression. If you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You gotta know when to hold it, know when to fold it, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough to count when the deal's done. Every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner, and every hand's a loser, and the best you can hope for is to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back toward the window, crushed out his cigarette, faded off to sleep. And somewhere in the darkness, the gambler, he broke even, but in his final words I found an ace that I could keep. You got to know when to hold it, know when to fold it, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough to count when the deal's done.
Hey, are you getting me in trouble, sister here?
Yeah.
Sweet baby Jesus, life is good.
Life's good.
The final hands came in between 5 and 6 o'clock at Dog Days Bar and Grill. Voted best waterfront restaurant at Lake of the Ozarks, and better yet, voted one of the top 10 water bars in the U.S.
Let's go.
It was great. You know what? We were blessed with 3 beautiful veterans. We happened to have the terrible luck of having all girls, so I don't know what happened with that, but it was a good time.